Hey guys, it's Allison. Today we're going to be doing the no spoon, no bowl challenge. And what you do is you can't use any spoons or any bowls to do this challenge. So it has to be like on a flat surface. So I'm going to make a fluffy slime. I have to open this up. I'm not going to add that much so it doesn't get everywhere. And then you just mix it around. And then you got baking soda, but I can't use the spoon, so we're just going to. So you don't want too much. So then just go stir it around. Got stuck on my finger. Then go ahead and activate it. It's starting to come together. Don't want to overactivate it though. There we go. It actually turned out pretty good so far. Just have to keep mixing it. Oh, that's a lot. It's starting to come off now. Oh, there we go. There we go. It came off pretty easy. Then I'm just rolling it around to get the texture off. And it turned out pretty good actually. I'm going to either get glitter or coloring. I'll have to see if I've got some pink glitter. I had some from something else. I'm gonna add the whole package and so it'll be pink. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix that around. Ooh, it's pink now. Pretty pink. Oh, it's drippy, but that's okay. So I'd probably rate this slime a 7 or 8 because it is stretchy. It's pretty. It's clicky. And I'm gonna see if I can make a bubble. I don't know how to make a bubble, so it's not gonna turn out that good, but okay. Not gonna be that big if I get it, but it's pretty. It is clicky. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe. Bye.